Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and hi if you're new, I'm Melissa. I make fashion and beauty and lifestyle content, and thank you for coming to my channel. So we're just gonna jump right into it. I am so excited. I bought all of the Saie Beauty lip glosses because I am so in love, so let's jump right into the swatches. Also, when you get a package from them, they sometimes send gifts. So I got little cotton balls. They're in this cute little pack. It says Saie on it. Alright, so we're going to start from lightest to darkest. Okay, so this first shade is called Easy, and this is described as a barely there pale pink. This is a super pretty shade. It's a very interesting texture. It's a little bit more, I don't want to say gloopy because it doesn't feel gloopy on the lips at all. It feels a little bit more like Vaseline, if that makes sense, than the other lip glosses. The other ones feel more like true lip glosses. This feels a little thicker, but it doesn't feel bad on the lips at all. It feels super comfortable. It definitely is a barely there pale pink, matches my shirt, but it is super comfortable. This makes your lips look super juicy and pretty. Like, I'm so here for it. And this definitely is comparable to kind of like a clear lip gloss, even though it has a little bit of tint in the tube. It doesn't give my lips a ton of color, so I would use this in place of a clear lip gloss, and I think it would look absolutely stunning, and it would be super comfortable to wear throughout the summer just as something super easy. So I totally get the name. These names are like really well done because I'm totally understanding why they named them what they did. So yeah, super easy. Love this one. So the next shade is called Cute. This is a juicy white peach. It is definitely more warm tone than the last one. And the shade, again, is also exactly as described. It is that juicy white peach shade, so it's super glossy and pretty. And I wanted to mention that these lip glosses aren't thick at all. They're pigmented and they're creamy, but they don't like gloop together, and they're really, really comfortable on the lips. And I like how they wear. They don't settle into any weird lines on my lips like some other lip glosses do, but the shade Cute is actually pretty cute. And I could also see you being able to use this to kind of take down some or dull down some brighter lipsticks that are a little too intense. I feel like this would be opaque enough to kind of cut through it and kind of make it a little bit more wearable. Okay, so the third shade is called Fresh. This is described as a perfect light nude. Let's try it out. All right, this one is super cute, and it does make your lips look very fresh. It is definitely that light nude color, but it's a little bit translucent, so you can wear it similarly to Easy. I would say this is a little bit more of a thinner formula in Easy, and honestly, if you were gonna pick between the two, I think Fresh would be the way to go. I still absolutely love this one, but if you were only, again, gonna pick one, then I would say you could just go with this, because you could wear this as a completely standalone product and it would give you a tiny bit of nude pigment to your lips, and it is super, super pretty. All right, so the next shade is Chill, and it is described as a cool, dusty rose. This one is a lot more pigmented than the last three were. This one is definitely a cool dusty rose. Again, they're totally nailing the descriptions. It's a lot more opaque, and it kind of reminds me of a liquid lipstick and like the opacity, but it's gonna stay super glossy and super comfortable all day. And I have worn Fresh before. I dug into this a little bit ago and wore it for a video, and it lasted the entire time and it didn't wear down at all. And so these are pretty good lip glosses. And another reason why I love these is because they are super clean formula. But again, this one is Chill. And now on to the last one, which is the shade Sweet. And this one is described as a deep lilac. Ooh, interesting. It looks a little bit metallic in the tube, so I am a little worried just because I don't really do deep shades and I don't do metallic shades. Okay, so this is actually super pretty and super juicy on the lips. It is such a cute color. I think this would be perfect for the summer. It definitely livens up my look as it is. I wouldn't say that the shade goes with my makeup because my makeup is like super, super warm today, but this is such a pretty shade. I don't see any streaking on my lips. Sometimes when you use a deeper color on your lips, it can kind of streak and then your natural lip will show through and it won't look that great. But this went on as like one uniform color, super pretty. And definitely, again, I would consider this a deep lilac, almost a berry color. And that shimmer doesn't like show through like crazy. Like it doesn't look like there's anything metallic on my lips. I think it just adds to making my lips look juicy and super pretty. All right, you guys, so that is all the swatches of these 5 shades that they currently have out. These are beautiful if you're in the market for a lip gloss. I know some of you aren't because we're still wearing masks. However, I still love lip glosses and I think they are amazing. I like them way better than liquid lipsticks. I will put just a lip gloss on with a little bit of lip liner and then it'll last all day, and once the lip gloss wears off, I'll have lip liner underneath to kind of still keep the look cohesive. And these are filled with great ingredients. I'll list some of them for you. There's hyaluronic acid, castor seed oil, grapeseed oil. I'm looking at coconut fruit extract, a bunch of different extracts and acids that are so good for your lips. So yeah, you guys know I'm in love with clean beauty, and also these lip shades are just to die for. All right, you guys, that's it for my mini little review and swatches of the Saie Beauty lip glosses. I hope you enjoyed it, and let me know down below what your favorite shade is. I think mine is definitely, it's between chill and fresh. I can't decide. I love both of those. I'm a neutral sort of girl, so yeah, absolutely in love with those. All right, you guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you haven't yet, click the little notification bell so you can be notified every time that I upload a video. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.